Well, as you can see, my room is in total mess, but this is because I am working hard. And this is because I'm working very hard on reviewing this very LenRue Bluetooth speaker. So let's see what we get in the box. Cheap Bluetooth speaker from Amazon for about 10 quid, made by a company called LenRue. Must be good. Let's have a closer look at the modest cardboard box that greets us with some information in both Chinese and English, but mostly in Chinese, telling us that the device provides 3 watts of sound power and operates using Bluetooth 4.1 and has 1000 mAh battery. The box contains information about the color of the device as well, but only in Chinese, but you can use Google Translate to get it sorted. Let's see what we get inside. Okay, here is the main body of our device, a USB/audio cable and 2 copies of user manual in Chinese and English. The USB cable can be used for charging the device or playing audio files in analog format, delivered by a device with a small audio jack. So you'll be able to plug the jack into your old Walkman or your mobile if it has a small female jack in. The cable itself is not the best quality in the world, but it does the charging job. Well, it's time to have a closer look at the manuals, and they are quite boring, so let's focus on the Bluetooth speaker instead. That is quite heavy for its size. Top mesh of the speaker as well as the size of the cylinder are made of metal, and in general the device looks quite promising. The speaker has a micro SD card slot as well as a micro USB female connector and 2 small holes with a microphone hidden inside. Yes, you can talk to the speaker when connected by Bluetooth to your mobile. The bottom part of the speaker is made from good-looking ABS with a rubber ring that is supposed to provide good contact with the table surface so the device will not move left or right while playing the music. The device does not belong to me, so I cannot remove the plastic film covering the gasket. Anyways, the base of the device contains 5 push buttons with on and off switch in the very center of the ring. Plus and minus buttons for controlling the volume and switching the songs in your YouTube playlist or your micro SD card. And an M push button that stands for mode. You can choose between 3 modes: micro SD card mode when music is played from your micro SD card, small jack mode when you play audio from an audio cable, and Bluetooth mode when your mobile or tablet is paired with the device. We must not forget about the 5th button, that is incoming call pickup push button, allowing us to stop playing audio and switching into incoming conversation using the onboard microphone. The owner of the device told me that the Bluetooth connection couldn't have been executed, but I made the connection without any problems. One has to switch between modes by pressing the M push button till the speaker becomes visible on your mobile and tablet, and that's it. I tried a number of devices and pairing with the device was not a problem at all. So remember to control the volume of the device, push and hold plus or minus push buttons for a number of seconds, and for switching the songs just press it once. For changing the playback mode, just press the M push button till you'll get the desired mode. If you have your micro SD card in, a default played mode will be your micro SD card, so as soon as you turn your device on, it will start playing the contents of the micro SD card inside. Well, it is high time we gave this device my final BuyOrBuyNot score, and the score is 90 out of 100, as the device is really good for the modest price of 10 bucks, but I have to subtract some points for the rattling noise while playing low frequency sounds, I mean bass, at high volume, but this problem can be resolved by a simple software tweak. I honestly think that this type of a speaker should have a narrowed transmission band. I would suggest 200 Hz or even 250 Hz as the bottom line, just to get rid of this unnecessary bass rattle. Just to top this story up, it is advisable to keep the device on a resonating table that would provide a deeper bass, as the rubber gasket on the bottom of the speaker transmits the lows quite effectively to the resting surface. Now it's time for the final grade, and in my less than humble opinion, this is a very good product, and I'm giving it 90 out of 100. Because it's just 9 euros to get you a Bluetooth speaker that will work for about 5 hours. Well, the sound quality is not Bowlers and Wilkins, but what can you get for 9 quid? Remember about watching some other of my videos, one here, and one here, and click my face to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! If you want to buy this cheap Chinese Bluetooth speaker, just follow one of my affiliated links below.